Okay, this is a catastrophe problem 2.15. And in this one, there's a cat up at the top of a 25-meter tall building. And the cat is launched upwards and then falls all the way to the ground, launched upwards with a velocity of 12 meters per second. And over here is a porcupine that is going to try to run and catch the cat. And he is 31 meters away. And we want to figure out what's his average velocity that he has to get there to catch the cat. So clearly, average velocity is pretty easy to figure out. It's distance, displacement at 31 meters over however much time it takes for him to get over there. And the time that it takes for the porcupine to get over here has to be the exact same amount of time that it takes for the cat to get all the way down here to the bottom. So all we got to do is figure out how much time does it take for the cat that's launched up here to get all the way down to the bottom. So we can use the equation D equals 1/2 AT squared plus VIT. And our displacement from here down to the ground would be a negative 25 meters. 1/2 of A is gravity, so I could write that as a negative 4.905, 1/2 of negative 9.81, T squared, plus the initial velocity is 12 T. We're going to take the negative 25 to the other side, so I have negative 4.905 T squared plus 12T plus 25. This isn't the most exciting problem because it's a quadratic, so we're going to have to put it into opposite B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. And if we put all of our numbers in there, opposite B would be a minus 12 plus or minus a square root of 12 squared minus 4 times A is a negative 4.905 times C is 25. And that's all over 2A, which would actually be negative 9.81 again. And I'll let you do the math on that. You get 2 times, but one of them is negative, and that we can't have a negative time in physics. You can have 2 answers in math, but you can only have one. You can only have positive time in physics. So the positive time came out to be 3.79 seconds. You should check your work on that. And we're going to take that time, we're going to put it into here. We take 31 divided by 3.79 seconds, and we get an average velocity of this porcupine of 8.2 meters per second, which of course is ridiculous because the average porcupine probably max speed is about 1 meter per second. That's about it. Hope you understand that problem.